Sinus headaches. You know, the headaches that you get up here in your frontal, in your forehead, and then maybe along your nose, maybe behind your eyes, just where your sinuses are in your face. That's what I'm talking about today, sinus headaches. These are caused by mostly allergies, some infections, and they cause your body in response to these allergens or viruses and bacteria. It secretes mucus. And when your sinuses get filled up with mucus, that increases pressure, which gives you the pain. This is something personally that I have experienced back in 90s when I was attending the University of Texas at Austin to get my biochemistry degree. I experienced for the first time in my entire life allergies. And specifically cedar fever, because I'm here in Austin, Texas. Cedar is terrible, right? And so I think I was about 19 years old or 20 years old. I experienced allergies for the first time in my life. It was terrible. It was a rude awakening. Okay. So I can feel for you if you have sinus headaches, chronic allergies. I know exactly what you're feeling. I know exactly what you're going through. But that was before I studied traditional Chinese medicine. After I studied traditional Chinese medicine, I figured out how to eliminate my cedar allergies permanently and how to never have sinus headaches again. So I was able to do that after I studied traditional Chinese medicine. And I use those strategies to help our patients. So I've treated thousands of patients for sinus headaches and helped them eliminate their sinus headaches. Personally, for me, personal experience, I no longer have cedar allergy. I know physicians will tell you, and maybe even other healthcare practitioners will tell you, even other acupuncturists will tell you that you can never get rid of allergies. Well, I have personally gotten rid of my own allergies to cedar, okay? And I've helped thousands of patients get rid of their allergies. It is possible, but let me give you a disclaimer. This video is not a prescription for what you to do. This video is only for educational purpose. I'm only sharing what I've done personally for myself to eliminate my cedar allergy, eliminate my sinus headaches. I'm 50 years old right now, so it's been 30 years and I still don't have those allergies. And it's also, I'm going to share my experience, 20 plus years personally in clinical practice, treating thousands of patients, eliminate their sinus headaches and allergies. That's what I'm sharing in this video. So let's start with what's the cause of your sinus headaches to begin with, right? Majority of the time, it's allergy or an infection. So like I said right here, see, allergies or irritants. Now, allergies are not just to pollen. It can be to dust, mold, pet dander. I see this quite a bit, especially here in the US. Many people have long-haired pets, dogs, cats, right? But the problem is those dogs and cats bring the pollen from the outside into the house, and that creates the allergies. If you have to have pets, then you want to go with short hair so they don't track in as much of the pollen, or shave your pets, right? Or just don't have the pets. Next, these are symptoms. If you've had sinus headaches before, I've personally had, you are like a barometric pressure gauge. When it's about to rain, you will feel the pressure change in the atmosphere. You will know. You can tell people, oh, it's about to rain. Just like people with arthritis, you will also be a weather person predictor. Stress and tension, this is more like when you have stress and tension in your neck and shoulders, it aggravates your sinus headaches, but it's not the main cause. The main causes are allergies and infections. When you get an infection, like a common cold, right? People say they have a head cold. When they have a head cold, they get that sinus pressure, sinus headache. Why do you get that? Well, your body is trying to protect yourself, trying to protect you from the virus and the bacteria. How does it first protect it? It protects it by secreting mucus. And when mucus fills your sinus cavities, that increases the pressure in your sinus cavities and therefore gives you the pain. So what's the fix? If it's a virus or bacteria infection, obviously you got to get rid of those virus and bacteria. You need to suppress it, kill it. Then your body will stop secreting mucus to protect yourself, right? So infections, it's kind of easy one. The hard one is the allergies, because I used to have cedar fever. You can't get rid of cedar from the whole atmosphere, right? You can move. Many people move, right? Because their allergies are so bad, their sinus headaches are so bad that they have to move to a different state or maybe even to a different country. Now, if you can't do that, what is the fix? But even when you move, you still didn't fix the cause. Did you realize that? Because the cause is an allergy. What is an allergy? An allergy is a hypersensitivity, hyperactivity towards something that is foreign to our bodies. Allergies is the pollen in the air, dust, right? Our bodies naturally should just identify it and eliminate it out of our bodies. But what your body's doing, your body is identifying these allergens as bacteria. And in response to that, Your body secretes a lot of mucus and the allergy symptoms, the histamine. So what's the root cause? The root cause is not even the allergens. The root cause is your immune system. Your immune system is not balanced. It's not working properly. So until you fix your immune system, it doesn't matter where you go. You may move to a different country where they don't have cedar trees, and so you won't have cedar allergies, but I guarantee you this, you will develop some other type of allergy. Why? Because you didn't fix the root cause, right? But that's how allergies, sinus headaches are treated according to Western medicine. And that's why people who take these medications, antihistamines, decongestants, they have to take it for the rest of their lives. You may not have to take it every year. You may have to take it only 3 months out of the year. Like in the cedar fever, it starts from November, goes to February, so about 4 months. And then for the rest of the year, you may be good. But what you don't realize is this. Every time you take those medications, you're damaging your immune system even more. So first you were allergic to cedar. The next year, you're going to be allergic to something else. It may be oak. It may be ragweed. And then it may be something else like dust. It may be even food. Then you start realizing, man, I used to eat potatoes like growing up in the farm, but now I can't because they just cause abdominal pain. You start having these weird allergy symptoms. Why? It's because you didn't fix your immune system to begin with. Okay. But let's stick with sinus headaches. From a Chinese medicine perspective, how did I get rid of my sinus headaches completely? After 30 years, I still do not get sinus headaches. Well, I focus on the root cause. The root cause is your immune system, right? So even with the infections over here, your bodies normally should have an immune system to control, to attack, surround, and put these viruses and bacteria in jail or kill them 100%, right? If your immune system cannot do that, that's an immune system problem. It's not a virus problem, because if it was a virus problem, then every single person who gets exposed to the flu virus should get the flu, all the symptoms. But they don't. Even with COVID, everybody was exposed to COVID. Yes, most people got the infection and most people had some symptoms, but not everybody got infected. Why is that? You got to think about that. COVID's not a good example because COVID was man-made. But if we're talking about just a common cold, the flu virus, right? I have treated patients for 20 plus years. I have never gotten the flu. Have I seen patients every year contracting the flu? Absolutely. And I've never gotten it myself, right? So you got to understand, just because it's common doesn't make it normal. So what did I do and what do I do for my patients? What did my team continuously do for our patients? We focus on the root cause. The root cause is an organ dysfunction. The reason why your immune system is being imbalanced, the next question you should ask is, how do I balance my immune system? You have to understand what is causing your immune system to be imbalanced. That's the root cause. So we focused on the lungs, the spleen, and the liver were three of the main organs that were involved with sinus headaches. And if we can restore these organs' function, the sinus headaches magically go away and they don't come back for many people, not for everybody, because there's some people we help them restore their organ function and then they mess it all up again. And if you mess up your organ functions again, obviously your sinus headaches are going to come back. But Western medicine focuses on the allergies. Think about the treatments, right? The treatments are antihistamines. They're focusing on the allergens. None of it focuses on the immune system. And I'll show you the treatments, right? So the key difference, if you want to really eliminate your sinus headaches forever, you need to ask the right question. In Chinese medicine, we ask, why is the body repeatedly developing congestion and sinus pressure? A better question, and another question that we would ask is, why is your body being so hypersensitive? Why is your immune system not handling these allergens, these bacteria properly? Right? That's the questions we ask. When you ask the right questions, you'll get the right result. When you ask the wrong questions, you'll get the wrong result, or you'll get a temporary result. So Western medicine asks this: what is causing the congestion and sinus inflammation? Well, what's causing the congestion is allergens, or it is the viruses. So what does Western medicine do? It focuses all on its treatments on the allergens. It focuses all of its treatments on the infection. That's why you have antibiotics, right? And a lot of physicians, they give you antibiotics when you have a virus infection, which is a big no-no, but they still do it. So Again, it doesn't fix anything. So common treatments, they give you these steroid sprays in your nose. They give you oral steroids to suppress your immune system. Instead of balancing your immune system, guess what Western medicine does? It says, hey, your body's overreacting, so let's shut down your body's natural immune system. That's what Western medicine does. It gives you antibiotics. The bacteria is causing your sinus headaches, so let's just kill the bacteria. You will not have sinus headaches again, right? Wrong. You see, they all focus on the symptom. This is when I talk about, when I say, and it's not just Western medicine, there are some Chinese medicine practitioners, TCM practitioners, acupuncturists that focus on symptoms only too. So this is not about Western medicine, Chinese medicine. This is about the practitioner you're going to. What do they focus on? Do they focus on just the symptom, or they try to find the root cause? Because finding the root cause takes time. It's not just a 10 to 15-minute quick consultation and then, oh, hop on the table and we put some needles in you and then get rid of your sinus headaches forever. No. So again, this is about what is your practitioner focusing on? So that's the question you should ask. So all of these treatments for sinus headaches from Western medicine, they all don't last forever. They don't fix the problem. Your symptoms will all come back. Even over-the-counter treatments for sinus headaches, right? You got the nasal saline rinses, right? Decongestants, NSAIDs, antihistamines. They are all still short-term Band-Aids. Because again, what is the problem? The problem is your immune system. Until you fix your immune system, none of these will eliminate your sinus headaches and allergies forever. So how did I treat my patients? Over treating thousands of patients, I've discovered there's two main categories. There's a hyperactive immune system, hypersensitive immune system, and then there's a hypoactive immune system. It's not even responding, right? Both is not good. Can you see? I just like to simplify these things. This is not from what I learned in school. Many acupuncturists may disagree with me, and that's okay. Everybody has their own way. I'm only sharing what my team and I have done, and I have personally done for myself in eliminating sinus headaches forever. This is what we have done, and this is what we discovered 20 plus years clinical experience and treating thousands of patients. When the person's immune system, imbalanced immune system, is due to a hypofunction or weakness, we have found it's correlated to the lungs, spleen, and kidneys. When we restore the lung function, the spleen function, the kidney function, the immune system becomes balanced, and the patient's body, your body, balances your immune system and processes allergens, eliminates viruses and bacteria effectively by itself without outside help. That's for hypofunction. That's a weak cause. Now, when it's overreactive and overstimulated, we have found that it is the liver, lung, and spleen. We balance these organ systems. Yes, the lung and spleen you see are on both sides, right? But you can see there sometimes the organs are hypofunctioning, which is underperforming, and sometimes they're overstimulated, right? But then you have to treat them depending on if they're weak or they're overactive, right? There's a different treatment for that. So this is what we typically focus on. Now, does this apply to every single case? No, it doesn't. I am summarizing thousands of cases into a simple formula. This is how we do things in my clinic, and this is how I have done things over the past 20 plus years. I like to simplify things, make things simple. Health is not complex. I know many practitioners, including Chinese medicine practitioners, make things complicated. We are not that. We simplify. Actually, I get accused by my peers of oversimplifying things. But that's okay, because my focus is on producing results for my patients, and my team is focused on producing results for our patients. Okay, so we focus on these organ systems. When we balance, restore the organ function, then the person's body can heal itself, because we don't eliminate your sinus headaches. We don't eliminate your allergies. We help your body get into the right position so that your body eliminates the sinus headaches, your body eliminates the allergies by itself. I also go into more depths about what does it look like? What would you feel if you have hyperactive sinus headaches or if you have hypoactive sinus headaches? These slides that I'm going through is part of a guidebook. It's my sinus headache guidebook. If you want access to this, comment below sinus, and my team will send you a link to get free access to this. These are all the secrets that we developed and accumulated over treating, again, thousands of patients with great, phenomenal results, right? Our results show because we're the #1 publicly rated acupuncture and wellness clinic in the entire US. So I include all the top 3 acupressure points, right? The top 3 herbs that we use for in each specific type of sinus headaches. There's so much in this guidebook. Again, I just wanted to go over just the overview of how to eliminate sinus headaches permanently, and it's all in my guidebook, Breathe Freely Sinus Guidebook. So if you want access to this, comment below sinus, and my team will send you the link so you can download and get access to this for free.